It's true, believe it or not. It does not take a lot of money to make a lot of money and become wealthy. That is merely a myth. We've outlined 8 ways to get rich fast for free. With these methods, you'll be able to make your first $1 million in a matter of years. Number 1, start a side business. You'll become wealthy faster if you can earn more money, whether it is through online jobs or a regular day job. No, you do not need to look for another job. You only need a side hustle or two to supplement your income while at home or when you have free time. Here are a few ways to boost your surplus and get rich fast. Number 2, earn money in a passive manner. You'll also want to identify those activities that consistently generate money without requiring too much of your time. This is referred to as passive income. You can make money even while you're sleeping if you earn passive income. Sure, finding and developing a passive income stream will take some time. However, once you've established this, you'll find yourself with cash month after month. Starting a business or blogging are examples of passive income ideas. Number 3, begin investing. Being frugal is important, but making your money work for you is even more so. Investing in the stock market, traditional or Roth IRAs, and other similar vehicles can be a good way to get rich quickly if done correctly. Start investing if you want to learn the best secret to becoming wealthy quickly. There's no way around it. Take it from the millionaires if you don't believe me. According to CNBC, millionaires typically invest 20% of their annual household income. Granted, we aren't stock market aficionados or geeks who know everything there is to know about the stock market. There is a simple solution to this problem. They're known as robo-investing apps, and they're simply apps that help you invest without you having to do any technical analysis or fund allocation. Investing has never been easier than it is now, thanks to robo-investing apps, for example, real estate investing. Here are some of my personal favorites. Number 4, continue your education. Did you know that in the United States, 40% of people do not have $400 set aside for an emergency? Educating yourself on money is a simple way to stay out of that 40%. When it comes to finding new and innovative ways to save money, financial guru Dave Ramsey is an excellent resource to consult on a variety of financial topics. There are several Dave Ramsey tips for saving money with little effort, ranging from cutting back on activities and items that you don't need to finding ways to get great deals. Number 5, take care of your debt. Debt can be a dreadful thing. According to the Urban Institute, about 77 million Americans, or 35% of adults with credit files, have debt and collections on their credit reports. I understand. It takes a lot of effort to pay off debt. I've been there, and I know how you feel. I was in debt to the tune of over $40,000 not long ago, with no savings or funds set aside for my retirement accounts. It's always a good idea to find ways to pay down your debt as quickly as possible. That is exactly what I did, and I've been debt-free for many years. Now, we can see our savings account grow every day, allowing us to build wealth with less effort. If you can't pay it off all right away, consolidating your debt can help you save money by lowering your interest payments, especially on that dreaded student loan, and penalties. SoFi and Tally are 2 products you can use to consolidate your debts at a lower rate. Yes, there is a long-term secret to becoming wealthy quickly. That's how my partner and I went about it. It was successful. Number 6, spend less on bills. Cutting your monthly bills is a surefire way to put money back in your pocket if you're still wondering how to get rich in a short amount of time. Trim is a tool that not only negotiates your utility bills for you, but also does a lot more. When you use Trim, the system will analyze your spending and then assist you in saving money by canceling unwanted subscriptions on your behalf, among other things. Charlie is another fantastic app. It's a text-based AI assistant to whom you can ask financial questions. Charlie also takes care of all your budgeting chores, such as balance monitoring, number crunching, and other tedious tasks so you don't have to. Charlie keeps track of your transactions and finds ways for you to save money, cut costs, and better understand your spending. Because all of the work is done for you, Charlie is one of my favorite how to get rich without money or education apps. Cushion works with banks on your behalf to get your money back from silly charges like overdraft fees, wire transfer fees, foreign transaction fees, minimum balance fees, and more. Similar to Trim, which negotiates your bills from cable or mobile companies. ATM fees, monthly service fees, overdraft fees, withdrawal limit fees, wire fees, late fees, and interest charges are among the fees Cushion will negotiate. Number 7, keep track of your net worth. Keeping track of your net worth is one of the most crucial aspects of becoming wealthy and successful. These days, keeping track of your net worth is fairly simple. All you have to do is fill out a short survey on platforms like Personal Capital, answering questions about your financial situation and future goals. The robo-advisor then creates and manages an optimal portfolio for you, ensuring that your investments stay on track with your objectives. Personal Capital is a great tool for keeping track of your net worth, and it could be the next big how to get rich quick tip. Signing up is also completely free. Number 8, make a financial plan. Most of us cringe at the mere mention of the word budget. I understand. But what if I told you that a simple one could be the key to becoming debt-free and wealthy? Will you start making a budget? It can, believe it or not. My partner and I learned how to make one, and were able to pay off $40,000 in debt. We learned how to do it quickly because we had to, but we were debt-free after 2.5 years. Number 9, pay attention to how much you spend. If you're wondering how to get rich without money or education, a budget is crucial to getting rich quickly. The zero budget system is a method of budgeting that you can use with the Dave Ramsey envelope system. Consider it this way. All of your bills are paid in cash. You assign each portion of your income to a specific envelope when you receive it, ensuring that everything is in its proper place. You should be left with zero at the end of the day. And that isn't to say you won't be able to save money. What this means is that you create a separate envelope for savings and deposit the funds there in the same way that you would for other expenses. Using a template is a simple way to try out the zero budget system.